Hello friends, my name is Amardeep Srivastav. In this video, I am going to discuss about the preparation strategies that what any aspirant should consider in their mind to crack the GATE examination. Our main focus is GATE 2018 of the electrical and electronics candidates. First, these are the subjects for electrical engineering and these are the subjects for electronics engineering. The electrical subjects are as follows: network analysis, signal system, control system, power system, analog electronics, power electronics, engineering maths, digital electronics, EMT, measurement and general aptitude. The common subject which electrical guys follows to electronics guys are as follows: network analysis, signal and system, network analysis, signal and system, control system engineering, analog electronics, engineering maths, digital electronics, EMT, measurement. For the electrical fellows, power system, power electronics and electrical machine is the core subject. These three are the core subjects which they have to consider very rigorously for their preparation in GATE. I will tell how to tackle the problem related to them. Now for electronics fellows, network analysis, signal and system, control system, analog electronics, engineering maths, EMT, aptitude and reasoning, digital electronics and measurement. The main focus and EDC. You can say that the main subject or the main conceptual subject of electronics fellows are analog electronics, EMT, EDC and all. They have, and communication. They have to follow these four subjects to fly in this examination. Now, I am going to discuss about the preparation strategy from the months of April, because you all are busy in for the preparation of BARC examination and CIL examination. That's why I am just discussing my strategy from the month of April. That is, now let's take. These are the subjects which we have to take in mind. Now, I am going to discuss about the preparation strategy as per the months. As from the month of April, we have how many months? April, May, June, July, August, September, November, December and Jan. Generally in the months of Feb GATE conducts its examination. Now we have 10 months to prepare for this exam. GATE, Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering 2018. Now we have many time and we can calculate it, and these times are fairly, if these time are fairly used, then we can crack this examination very easily. Just reviews down what I am going to tell you, that in the month of April, May, June, July, August, you have to focus on, include September also, you have to focus on theory plus numerical solving. That is, you have 6 months for numerical solving plus concept building. I will just classify the subject which you have to specify how much amount of time on that proper subject, but let me explain the number of months and let me explain how you all are going to utilize these months. From April to September, you have to just grip down the concept on each subject and practice the questions. The question practice should be, the source of the question practice should be previous year GATE, ECE previous year, some standard questions related to some standard question of textbooks, or exchange the previous year questions, as EE fellow have to solve the common subjects of ECE fellows and ECE guys have to solve the question of EE fellows which the subjects are in common. Simple. Remind my words. Solve the previous year GATE and ESE question common for both the branches. Now, I'm just going to tell you what and how to prepare in these 6 months and how to make a conceptual grip on these 6 months. Let me tell you things. Now I'm going to discuss about first for the electrical fellows. Electrical syllabus is vast and conceptual. Just remember the 6 subjects which are easy to understand and which are easy to solve the numerical analysis of those subjects. Like, start with network. The 6 subject which you can consider as, I'm not saying it's easy, I'm just saying you can understand it very easily. That is network, signals and system, and engineering maths, digital electronics, aptitude and reasoning, EMT. Now, as per my views, all you guys, either it is electrical or the fellow of electronics engineering, must have to follow. If you follow my rules, if you follow me, if you can trust me, then you must have to follow these engineering maths and aptitude and reasoning on daily basis. It's just like a game that you have to play daily, minimum 1 hour. That is, solve either engineering maths or either aptitude and reasoning daily, on daily basis. Don't keep these subjects on as a burden basis, because these are very interesting subjects and you can solve the question related to engineering maths and aptitude and reasoning very wisely and very relaxed mindedly. You can solve it daily basis. Please kindly solve this on the basis of daily for minimum 1 hour. Appoint 1 hour for either this or this. Make a schedule for both the questions, for both the subjects. Remember, these 2 subjects for GATE carry nearly 20% or more than for that marks. Always remember, if you ignore engineering maths and aptitude reasoning, you may fall. If you have to clear the exam with mark 60, then you will fall down and you will add 35 to 40 marks. Remember this. If you have a good grip on engineering mathematics and aptitude reasoning, then you can easily crack. If you have the conceptual grip on network, signals, digital, analog, machine, power electronic, power system, then you can easily bring down to 60 by the help of engineering maths and aptitude reasoning, because it is very much marks fetchable. That is, by using these 2 subjects, you can easily fetch mark. Hence, remember, engineering maths, aptitude reasoning should be our prime focus. That is on daily basis. It's just like your breakfast. Don't skip engineering maths, aptitude and reasoning, simply. Now, these are the subjects which you can do very patiently. Now, I just want to discuss how you can give them month-wise. Now, let's take me to the depth of how you can tackle and how you can make the conceptual or grapple analysis on these subjects. Let me tell you the subject which are basic subjects like network, signals, digital, control, system analysis, EMT, measurement. Kindly give maximum 15 days for each. These 15 days will cover conceptual background, formation plus problem solving. You must have to solve minimum 400 questions on each subject. Remember, you have to solve nearly 400 questions on these basic subjects. Don't forget to skip these, because this is the main point to be considered in mind, that you have to solve minimum 400 questions on these subjects. Just remember. Now, just make 2 notebooks. One for short notes and second for error analysis book. Short notes, the concepts that you think that you may forget, will write in this short notes. That is for last month preparation strategies. That is meant for quick revision process. And error analysis book will always should be in your hand to just check what I am doing while solving the problems, where I am just bugging, where I am just forgot, what step I just forgot. This notebook should be always in your hand. Always remember these 2 things you must have to follow to crack GATE examination, because GATE needs sincerity, a sincere effort and a hard work to fly in this examination. Simple. You must have to follow notes, short notes for quick revision, and error analysis book. Just take a copy, write down on it error analysis book, and whenever you solve question related to any subject, just write down that question that is related to network. Write down the steps that you forget and the step that you think that it's very difficult for me to solve these steps, and revise that concept on daily basis. Revise that concept on daily basis, either when you try to slip, when you are going to slip, just revise. This is the, remember, short notes and error analysis book is the main concept, is the main thing that you have to, that will help you in revision strategy. I will tell you how to revise subject, how the cyclic revision should be there, but remember short notes and error analysis books should be there. Always remember. Now, these are the basic subjects for both the fellows, that is electrical fellows and electronics fellows. Now, our main focus for each subject, I am just assigning 15 days for these basic subjects, each subject. Then our main focus is to theoretical analysis and question practice. What up now I'm going to discuss what should be our source for these subjects to solve questions and to read the theoretical concepts. For the basic subjects, you can follow any institute notes which you have trust. Remember, don't buy Xerox copy from anywhere and just start reading like a mugger. Have trust, take a notes from those which you have trust, and just check out the concepts, read all the concepts, and then follow this. Don't follow blindly. Now, We have April, May, June up to Oct. Now, for the basic subjects, we have to assign 15 days. And for the conceptual subject like electrical machine, power system and power electronics for EE fellows, communication, EDC, EMT for electronics analog for ECE fellows. For these two, you must have to assign minimum 20 days for each subject. Now, these minimum 20 days should be highly on the basis of conceptual background. For the electrical fellows, electrical machine, power system and power electronics are the backbone. These are the backbone of your engineering. If you don't know this, you will only get 40 to 45 marks. If you want to fly in this examination, if you want to get Power Grid, Indian Oil, GAIL, BHEL, NTPC, then you must have to take a stronger grip on electrical machine, power system and power electronics. Just think. And if ECE fellows wants to join JTO and the top of the IITs like IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi and IIT Madras, then you must have to break the concept inside the communication, EDC, EMT and analog. Remember, I'm not including analog in EE fellows guys, because for the EE fellows guys, what they have to read inside analog electronic is limited. That is, according to me, as per my perception, as per my views, for EE fellows, they have to read diode circuit, BJT, in which BJT biasing is must, op-amp, amplifier, op-amp, amplifier, diode, and little bit about small signal analysis. Diode circuit is very must, and you can also read MOSFET, its characteristic, its equation and all. Don't go so much deeply, because there is no need to go so much in deep in analog electronics for EE fellows. Remember, we have to grip out the diode circuit concept, BJT biasing concept, op-amp circuit concept and a small signal analysis concept. Write down, remember these things. Don't need to go in deep for analog electronics as per EE syllabus. Remember. Now for EE fellows, we have 3 nightmares you can call. I'm just telling nightmare, but it is not. If you read it very conceptually, and I know you all are engineers, you all have brains, and you can easily solve. You can easily have had grip on power system, electrical machine, and power electronics. These 3 subjects. Just how to solve. Have patience on these subjects. First, go through textbook. Take help from notes and NPTEL. Goes through this, and I will upload and I will make videos on this most probably. And just don't mug up its formulae. It will not going to help you in any exam except SSC JEE. So kindly please don't remember these all formulas. Just try to make grip over these subjects by assigning 20 days minimum. Start every subject, each subject of power system, electrical machine, power electronics as a mission, and complete. As you have taken power system, take Kothari, Stevenson, and just put it on a desk and just think. You have to perform. You have to go for a war in which you have to win, and the war is power system. Just think it as a mission and complete it after winning. You should not quit any of these 3 subjects. Remember, electrical fellows, these three subjects are the heart and soul of your branches. Now let me divide all the days what you have from 1st of April. We have nearly 10 months. That is 300 days. Now 6 subject, that is network, EMT, digital, signal, control, the measurement, these 6 subjects we have to assign 15 days each. 15 days each. That is 6 into 15. That is 19 days. 90 days for deep learning. Deep learning and question practicing. Remember, this is very urgent. And also remember, write the things which you are forgetting while solving the question in error analysis book. Remember, this note is very important, error analysis book. Don't forget this book always. Now, as nearly 4 lengthy subject for EE and ECE fellows. For EE fellows, it is power system, power electronics, machine, these 3, and you can also take EMT. And for ECE fellows, it is communication, EDC, EMT, analog. Just assign 20 days for both. Just take these 2 as a mission which you have to complete by highly be expert in this, so that in the next year I just want to know from all of you that I have cleared these subjects and now I am getting 65 plus marks in GATE 2018. Just in these basic subjects, that is network, EMT, digital, analog and digital measurement, mathematics, you must have to just solve as much question as you can. As much question as you can means nearly 400 subject for each subject. Remember. Now, what should be the source of problem solving? The source must be GATE and ESE previous year paper. Previous year paper, question of some standard textbook. Remember one thing, if you have any doubt in between, if you are a tuition going student or if you are a coaching going student, then you can tackle it by solving with the help of their colleagues and teachers. But if you are not going to any institute right now, if you are preparing by itself, then post it in the Facebook group. But remember one thing, don't waste your so much time here. Just assign 1 hour daily in the evening to solve or to post the question and solve the question in the group. Don't waste your entire day on the group. Just what is this, what I should do, I am not doing this, I am frustrated, I am doing this, I am doing this. Always remember, motivation should come inside, within. There is no one to help you. Always remember, you have to help yourself. Now, you will go thoroughly through these subjects. Now, what should be the revision strategies for the fellows? Let me give you a brief idea. Just take, you are completing network. I am just discussing about EE fellows right now. Network. Then you are going for signals. EE and ECE both. Signals. Then electrical machine. While electrical machine for EE fellows and analog for ECE fellows. While when you are on analog for ECE fellows and electrical machine on EE fellows, just go cyclic on network and take few hours, give few hours on network to solve, to just revise the concept which you are forgetting right now. Just revise it. Now, after this, read control, and on the midway of control or just completing the control, just give some of the time, assign some of the time to revise signal. Just revision must be through that. Open the textbook, open the notes, open the material that we have referred to read, and the questions which you have felt very hard to solve. Refer the question which you think these are the very much conceptual question and it is very must to be in mind. Refer that questions only. Just refer very lightly. Now after control, just take for EE fellows it must be power system, and for ECE fellows it must be EMT. Now revise. When you are on power system, just revise not electrical machine because it will be a very much burden for you. Just revise control system there. My intention to show these diagraph is because I just want to make you the revision as per cyclic revision. As you are on third subject, you must have to clear the first subject what you have already read. You are on the sixth subject, you have to clear the second subject. You are on the fourth subject, you have to read the third subject. Means revision should be cyclic. Always remember, revision should be cyclic. Assign as per yourself. Now for mathematics plus aptitude and reasoning, I have already told you, assign, play with this. Assign 1 hour daily. Now we have 5 months left in our hand. After clearing all the subject concept, we have 5 months in hand. Now from September onward, give subject wise test. Subject wise test. Test giving is not so much important, but the main thing which you have to consider, but the main thing which you have to take in your mind is that analysis is more important. That is our main notebook, that is the error analysis book. Give the test, write down your weakness on this error analysis book. Refer your short notes. Is these two notebooks is helping you in subject test. You will feel yes, these are helping you. Now subject voice test should be up to September, October, November. Keep analyzing, keep revising, keep test giving, analyzing, revising and test give, analyzing, revising and test give. Now from December onward, revision test, it should be cyclic. Now in Jan, including December and Jan, near about 15 mock test. Take the test of minimum at least 2 institute which you have trust. 15 mock test, minimum 15 mock test. Improve yourself. Because mock test, if you have did so many things but you are not stand with your mock test, then believe me, you will not going to fly in the exam called GATE. Just believe in mock test, give a mock test, analyze that test, give another gap of 2 mock tests, at least minimum 2 days or 1 days. Just analyze the mistakes that you are doing, and always remember, engineering maths and aptitude should be from 1st of April daily. That is, if you just want to be master on mathematics and aptitude and reasoning, just try to solve 1 hour daily. 1 hour daily, you can solve it 1 hour daily. And when you are going to sleep on your bed, just remember the concept, just without opening the notebook, just remember the concept what you have read in the entire day. According to me, try to make a schedule as per your own. I'm not saying just wake up at 4 a.m, just start reading. These are just the things which you are comfortable of, and these things. All the best for your GATE 2018. Enjoy your days, solve so many questions, read the concepts, and kindly subscribe my channel GATE 2018 for EE, ECE and IN fellows, and thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.